Odisha State Tribal Museum is known to attract visitors from all over India and the world. It is admired for its meticulous presentation of tribal culture, art and artifacts, and aesthetic representation of the rich tribal heritage of Odisha. The 2020 COVID pandemic brought the world to a standstill. During this period, all museums, art galleries and theatres were closed too. The same was the case with Odisha State Tribal Museum, managed by SC/ST/RTI Odisha. In the midst of these unfortunate circumstances, SC/ST/RTI Odisha think tank, led by its director, Professor A.B. Ota, came up with an innovative plan of action. The object was to continue to stay connected with people who had been deprived of the museum visit, using state-of-the-art technology such as virtual reality tours, 360-degree photography, live video feeds, and social media updates. TRI Odisha was able to transform the challenge into an opportunity. Followers on social media rapidly grew with sustained efforts and excellent word of mouth. With lockdown protocols easing, there has not just been an emphatic return of the visitors, but the numbers have soared beyond that of pre-pandemic footfall. An unprecedented 20 lakh visitors have been touched as a result. Now, other state museums across the nation are seeking advice and technical support from SC/ST/RTI Odisha towards creating a smarter digital presence and connecting with a wider segment of audience.